Yeah, so when I say front tire decided to leave the chat, I mean literally. It decided to leave the chat. And it did number too. Luckily it didn't tear the truck up. I mean, junk there. It started out looking like a fair but dry rot tire, you know. I kept it low pressure. That way it just kind of mush along to get home with. And yeah, it definitely left the chat. If it had blown, it'd really torn this thing up, but it didn't do any damage. No damage. That was already there. But I really like the looks of those. I really do. Try and get some. Not a fan of these. The guy I got the truck from, he loves these wheels. He has a bunch of them. But you can see right there, this one is kind of got a little boogering here, and that's actual booger on the rim. Not pretty, but I'm sure it'll come about somewhere. I want those. I don't have any of those. But every other reel but those.